Who are you?
Dog. You need to ask that question. I'm a girl.
Hey, sorry about it, Ra, but you're not a girl. Oh, a butterfly may fly, but that does not make it a bird. Oh, okay, I get it. You talk like a girl. You act like a girl. You do almost everything like a girl, but you are not a girl. Trust me, you wouldn't want to experience what we women go through at the end of every month.
I can.
Huh?
And I will. If that will make my father happy, I will be the daughter he never had.
Hey,
At least both of us will be happy.
you don't know what you're talking about, boy.
If I were a girl, even just for a day, and wear my makeup in the morning and paint my lips the rest of the day. So like a girl, wear wigs like a doll. Yeah. I walk and talk like a little lady and be the one I wanted to be. 'Cause that's who I am.
But you are a boy, and you don't understand. You need to stop listening to those voices, for a boy can never be a girl. You have no idea what it takes to be a girl. Monthly flows and all the chills. You bet you don't wanna be in my shoes. 'Cause you are not you. 'Cause you're not a girl. So you don't have the clue. What it takes to carry another human is this little thing we call a woman. A woman, a woman.
You're a girl.
You are a boy.
I make my daddy happy.
Just make yourself happy.
I'd be his ever-loving daughter, then I'll be the happiest girl on earth.
Oh boy, just stop dreaming.
I'd be his dream girl.